If you new, subscribe this channel. If you any query, mention in comment box. Hello, what's up guys? It's me Prakash and you are watching my channel. So today I am going to tell you about Bootstrap 4 table. So how it's working. You see that if you are doing in HTML, I will show you in HTML table. Okay, you do like this. You can go more for that, like uh, this one. But in Bootstrap, you just simply add a class and your table experience was amazing. You can't believe that. I'm just copying this. Okay, let me first make my new file. I'm creating new. Okay, and here I'm going to index. Okay, here I'm doing to code. It's a previous code. Okay, I'm take it back up here colors. Okay, so okay, I'm also create new here for table. Okay, control C, control V for table. Okay, you see the div class container. If I'm pasting this code here, okay, table. Okay, you see my code look like this one. If I'm add this CSS, then my code look like uh, first add a style tag like this type. But if I'm using Bootstrap class, totally experience code change. Look, I have just add a class and this one is class this one is Bootstrap class table, and look, it's some different, very different and looking amazing. If you want to have, okay, then you see here is total experience was changing. If you want some more effective in this, so you have to go on Bootstrap 4 table. Where is table? Here you look, here is class table and it's look like this. Okay, if you want some stripped row, you just add this class, but you have to, this class is always, whenever you are make a new table, this class is always here. If you want strip, this class also is having here. Okay, now this one like this. If you want remove this class, is gone washed. Okay, so you have always keep this table class in table. Okay, here is too many class that you add and more effective table, create more effective table. Okay, border table, if you want to create a table with border, you just want create like this one. If you remove this dot, if you want in this like this type of table and you want like this strip, so you just put this class here. Now its table become like border and okay zebra crossed like zebra. If you want, if you are hover and so background is changed, you simply put this class here. Now whole experience is changing with hover. Okay, if you want this become a dark one, next is you have to add this table dark class. Okay, this one is dark. Here is too many class that you want to add. Same thing, those I'm telling upper. If you are remove this one, then it's become light, and if you add this is become dark, and whole thing is same borderless. So then you have to add this borderless. If you don't add, it's not matter. Or this one is bootstrap predefined color, those you are using in this. Okay, table success, table danger, info. Wow, too many colors is there. If your table gone to mobile device, so it's automatically become a responsive. It's come like a scroll like this. Okay, you can simply add table responsive SMMD LG Excel. I will tell this SMMD LG in my previous video. I will give you link in card. Okay, you can see here, card is here. Okay, so in this video is too much for today. I hope you are getting my point. My English is very weak, not something, it's very weak. So if I am make video in English, I know my English also become some improve. Okay, if you have any problem, tell me. You can drop a comment in YouTube section. You can drop a comment in WhatsApp group link. Okay, so thank you so much for viewing this video.